Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a big surprise for y'all. We are gonna go, can you guess? I'm gonna give you a couple seconds to guess. We're gonna go camping. Yes, we're going camping for the weekend and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. I'm going to a place called Green Island. There's a well-known beach over there called Half Moon Beach. Yeah, so we're gonna be going there and it's gonna be exciting. So I will see you guys soon. Alright guys, so here I am in my room at my hostel. So this is where I'm staying. This is my little room. Hopefully you can hear me good. My fan is pretty loud. I'm just going to show you guys what I'm going to be packing for my camping trip. I put everything in this backpack and we're going to go from there. One of the new ones that I got. Still has the tag on. Okay, swimsuits, obviously. Crochet one as well. I know I'm probably not going to wear all of them, but I just want to have them just in case. Just in case, guys. I love this scarf so much. I take it with me everywhere I go. Take some leggings as well, just for like yoga in the morning. Some long sleeve shirts too, just in case it does get cold once again, or if there's a lot of mosquitoes, they'll keep me protected from the mosquito. Shorts, they're wrinkled, don't judge me, they're wrinkled. They've been in my suitcase. All right, I don't have a closet here, unfortunately. Guys, I'm gonna continue doing this because I'm kind of in a rush. My taxi is already on the way, and then I will update you guys when I update you guys next. All right guys, I am sweaty. It is hot. It is so hot. We need cash. Alright guys, I keep switching locations because this lighting is horrible in here and this color is awful. But, right. And then I'm also going to take this natural soap. This is from the soap workshop that I used to work at in St. Mary in Jamaica. Go check them out on TikTok at Soap Factory by the Sea. This stuff is so good. I have so much of it and it's amazing. It's amazing. It's all I use. Guys, I think I packed my bag too full. Obviously gonna be taking my yoga mat as well, so that we can do that. Tell me how this is for a weekend trip. See, sometimes I don't make sense. Sometimes I wonder, like, anyway, I'm also gonna take this. This is also from the Soap Factory. It's neem skin butter. I put it on my skin at night because recently I've been breaking out. I don't know why. I'm taking my water bottle. This is copper. You guys, copper is the way to go with water. It's so good for you. It helps alkalinize water, so it detoxifies it and it purifies it. So it's like a natural water purifier. In India they use copper as a vessel to store their water for long periods of time. Helps cleanse the water and keep it potent and strong and healthy. And so Amazon, I've had this one for years. Taking my journal with me so that I can think about some ideas, meditate on some ideas for YouTube and whatever. Sorry if any music playing, but these are the JBL headphones. These are my go-to always. Great. JBL. This much stuff to go Saturday. So here I am on the way to Green Island. There was music playing in the car, so Just enjoy the little joy rides here. So I'm waiting for my Airbnb person to come get me that I booked with. It's like a camping situation. So they're gonna be meeting me here and taking me to their property. But yeah, so right now I'm just waiting on the road. Yeah, it is. Oh, in Jamaica? That's my first time. Yeah, I've been traveling around Jamaica. Yes. Alright. So now I'm walking up. Yeah. So I had to continue walking while he's on his bike because you can't really go up this like a steep hill. Oh, this is a good workout. Alright, I got my yoga mat, I got my backpack. We're going up this hill together. I'm breathing heavy, so please ignore that. Alright. Oh my goodness. Very rocky. I don't know how he rides his bike up there. Is there more? There more to go? Is it further?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Come on the motorbike.
Oh, I can get on now?
Yes.
Alright. Yeah.
The bike is meant to go on the house now.
Yeah.
Working the road, you know?
Alright.
You really want to cut nice rainy season.
Yeah. Alright. Oh, that's a beautiful view. That's nice. How long have you lived here?
I live here from 1999.
Oh, wow. Do you mind if you're on camera?
No problem.
No?
Man.
Alright.
No problem.
Alright. Here we are. Alright.
Yeah, this is the place.
This is, so, where, okay.
So, this is my new house, what I'm making.
Alright.
This is the kitchen for now.
Okay.
You know, actually, construction is still going on.
Uh-huh.
This is the kitchen for now.
Okay.
And this is my freezer with my barracuda.
Oh, barracuda?
Yeah.
Oh, the fish. It's
Yeah.
fish. Oh, interesting.
Yeah,
Look
so
at that.
so these are what I sell to the local.
Oh, I see.
You know, my thing.
You like fishing?
Yeah, that's what I did.
That's
I
what you do?
fishing, yeah.
Okay, very
Every
cool.
day. 7 days a week.
When did you start doing that?
When I was 12 years old, I started doing.
12 years old.
I continue.
That's
All
cool.
the way. Man your head with my stick. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that road it go up with bush, so it don't.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but it still can fit on it. I'll tell you, I'll put a tent there, I'll over there, I'll over there.
Okay.
But through it go up with the bush.
Yeah.
But I just showed it like a rain,
Yeah.
and everything is just growing, so.
Yeah. Okay.
Coconut, black, banana,
Coconut,
fruit.
banana.
So regular food right here.
Breadfruit. Oh, that one's ready.
Yes. How you know?
I've been here a while. I know. I used to live in the bush in St. Mary.
Really?
With a family, yeah.
Eh? Wow.
Yes.
Papaya, coconut.
Yeah. Oh wow, there's a lot of jellies up there.
Yeah, so many.
Can you climb it? You know
No,
how to?
I don't climb.
Oh,
I just stay from inside and take something and pull it down.
that's a big climb.
Yeah.
I know some people can do that.
Some
That's
people will
crazy.
do that. When I was younger, I used to climb coconut trees.
Yeah.
Up in eggs, I don't.
Yeah, now you're like, no.
I will put a hammer.
Yes. Very beautiful here. Guys, so he's gonna set up the tent over here, somewhere over here, I don't know. Let's see. What are these? Maybe he could tell me about all of these different plants and stuff. I'm like, this is like the real bush. Look at these. What are those? Interesting. And then these look like some kind of pods. Some kind of interesting pod. I think that's lemongrass back there. Alright. So here he is putting up my tent for me. These are so pretty.
In the rainfall,
Uh-huh.
a lot of birds.
Birds?
Hummingbird, Dr. Bird.
Uh-huh.
Just come around in the flowers.
Oh, that's so nice.
Just nature.
Yeah. Look at this view. That's amazing. Alright guys, so I'm here now. He is setting up my tent. He's a very kind Rasta man who lives here on his own. He lives here by himself. He has a girlfriend in Holland is what he said. And she's kind of helping him out with this, with connecting him to people to come stay here so he could make some income. And yeah, so but yeah, he's a very kind soul. So he's gonna take me up to Half Moon Beach to the water so I can show you guys, and then maybe I can get some food because I'm hungry. I haven't ate yet today. But yeah, look at these pretty flowers. It's a dog barking at me. I know, I'm new. I'm sorry. Alright.
Put it on that same one too.
Huh?
I think it broke somewhere. Wait. Yeah, I see. Yeah.
What happened?
No, it was hit right there.
Oh. Alright. Alrighty.
My doorway here, right?
Alright.
So freely and easily.
So free and simple. Yeah, and natural. And they're like, how do you do it? And they're, you know, so these things are interesting. People like to see it, you know. You were born here?
Yes, I born here. Not right here, but in this community.
In this community?
Yeah.
Alright. Very cool.
This over here named Hadna.
Hadna?
Yeah, Hadna. They call it that name.
Okay.
But is a place is Hanover. The parish name, the community name Green Island.
Green Island?
So the Island is out in the water.
Uh-huh.
He made that name. Green Island.
Green
Back in the
Island.
days when them used to come here and get logwood wood and banana and all those things to ship back to other country, them use that island to make the mark to
Okay.
come to Green Island inside the harbor.
Interesting. So this community is like, it's very small. Like everybody knows each other around here.
Yes, everybody.
Yeah. That's what it was like when I was living in St. Mary. It was with like a Rasta family, and they make like natural soap and stuff, and they sell it, and they live completely kind of freely like you. And yeah, the town was very small and everyone knew each other. So when I got there, everyone was like, who's this new girl here? Like, so yeah. But what is this? It smells good. What is this?
That is a plant, we call it Bongo Peas.
Bongo Peas?
Yes, it's a bean.
Oh, it's a bean.
Yes.
It smells kind of good.
What's happened in Christmas?
In Christmas?
On the Christmas time, it there. So in Christmas, people always say them need rice and peas and bongo.
Oh.
Not red bean. It's a green one. So now, through Christmas is right around there now. So when you see like this, it's so start to bloom and bear. So by Christmas dinner is what them use this peas for.
Christmas dinner. Okay.
Actually, I have some what dry. For me, I always have them as storage.
Yeah.
So whatever time I want to cook, I just take out some and shell it out and cook.
Yeah.
A bean is good for you.
Yes.
And this bean are very healthy too.
Yes.
You know?
And you like to cook?
Yes, love to cook.
Oh, very like Aito. Or
Really?
You?
I eat fish, I eat chicken,
Oh, okay.
I eat pork, but not regular. Like I don't really cook it, but if I go to family and them have it, I eat it. And just live. I just eat what my stomach can take.
Yes.
So that's what I believe in. So some people will say, oh, yeah, I don't eat pork, I'm a Rasta man and blah blah blah. I say cut the bullshit out. Yeah.
Yeah. I understand. That's how I am, you know.
Whatever thing it need, and it say, I want this. Give it.
Yes.
If you don't give it, you know what's happened? If you
Yeah.
don't give it, your body going to lack of something.
That's true. I agree. I agree with that.
A couple days ago, oh my God, it was rain like a wow.
Does it rain a lot here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, this time of year, we call it hurricane month. So it always give me rain.
Like I'm in the West End right now, so it was raining a lot there. Almost every day, every evening it was raining.
Okay.
So I've been in Negril for a while now.
Okay.
Yeah, I was in Kingston and then St. Mary before.
Yeah, I like Portland and I like St. Mary.
Yeah, I want to go to Portland next.
It's going to be very warm.
Yeah, that's okay. All right. Yeah, so this is my home for the next. Yeah, it'll be fine. I'm not worried about it. My room is just as hot.
The beer fruits named soursop, good for nerves,
All
good for
right.
cancer. So I use it and make tea, the leaf of it. When
Tea.
it's there, I make juice from it.
Oh.
And the pimento,
Oh,
I use it to make tea. This is what them use and make black pepper. You know, so we use it and cook with it. Use it
Okay.
make tea, good for you.
Pimento is good. It smells really nice. Yes. Let's see.
Smelling.
Yeah, it smells good. Dragon blood.
This is dragon blood. Them said that's what my grandmother and my grandfather used to say. This is a bush what good for the bamboo. So we always try to plant it and have it and drink it for tea when it dry. I give you health, a lot of blood in your body.
Okay, is it like a detox for the blood?
Yes.
Yeah.
And this is my liquor. You know, we are Jamaican, we like to put a little weed in our
Oh, your ganja. This is his ganja plant.
Yeah.
It smells nice.
Yeah.
And
This
snake
one,
plants.
This plant, the bird them is loving.
What is it called?
John Discus.
Like it's a
Lovers,
hibiscus.
lovers, yeah. So
Yes.
when you love someone, you always pick up flowers and you put it right here.
Oh.
When you love someone.
Oh,
it looks so
okay.
nice, yeah. And this one is merengue.
Moringa.
Yeah, I use it and I cook with it, and I make tea with it, and do whatever I'm doing. I use for it. Very good for you.
Yes,
Healthy.
it's very. This is. It's also known as like the plant of life.
Yeah,
because
leaf of
it's
life.
good leaf of life. Yeah.
I have leaf of life, but it on the other side.
Yes, I like to like just pick it off and eat it like this.
I did it.
Yes, it's good medicine.
Yeah, man.
Good.
And this is lemongrass.
Oh, lemongrass. I love making lemongrass tea.
Yeah, this is lemongrass right here. Yeah.
Lemongrass.
Yeah, this is lemongrass. So this is my little garden. You just want to cut and clean up a papaya down there. I
Oh,
have a lot of things.
what is that right there?
This is a pumpkin.
Oh, pumpkin. I
Yeah.
thought it looked familiar.
Yes, just through the flies go and eat in the leaf. But
Oh, and you have some aloe vera.
Right there too.
Yeah.
I plant everything for my own purpose and my own comfort.
Yeah, you have medicine everywhere.
Yes. And this is we call it tea basil. Nice to make tea.
Basil.
Yeah, if you have cold.
If you have cold, you chew
Yeah,
it.
yeah, and detox yourself.
Oh,
Very
okay.
Good, very.
I heard food now.
Yeah,
It's
man.
spicy. It's a little spicy.
Yeah. No, so.
All right. Hey guys, enjoy this brief intermission of me trying to get a thumbnail photo. There was music playing in the background and I don't want to get this video taken down for copyright. So yeah man, but here's me vibing out. All right, continue. All right guys, so this is my room for guys. Okay, so this is bringing back so many memories because I think I mentioned it briefly, but like when I first started traveling, when I went to Costa Rica, I lived in a tent for 3 months, and like this is just, it's bringing back so many memories, y'all. Like seriously. I think that was like when I was like, man, I really don't need much to survive. And because like at that point I was living out of this backpack, actually, this backpack, and like a little carry-on bag, and I was just living. I happened to be living with an indigenous, so I was a nanny. This is a long story, so, but I'll go into it briefly. I'll go do another video about it, but I was a nanny for this family, right? And the father was an Aztec Mayan shaman, and the woman, she worked with ayahuasca. And so this was my very first experience with working with plant medicine, was when I was nannying for this family, and I was living in their tent, and they would have these ceremonies, and so I would join them, and they would also do like temazcal, like sweat lodges, which if you don't know is like a traditional Mexican indigenous practice. It's really a nice like thick piece of aloe vera. Like I've never seen such a thick juicy piece of aloe vera, like, and then like some things were biting me as well, so it also helps with bug bites, burns, acne. So really good medicine. Let's see if I can set up my, let's see.